Do you want to turn on keyboard vibration on your iPhone so that each time you typed on your iPhone, either using iMessage or using other messaging app, your keyboard is going to vibrate? Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on keyboard vibration on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Sounds and Haptics. On the Sounds and Haptics page, this is what you want to do. Scroll down to where you see keyboard feedback and then click on it. Under keyboard feedback, there are two features available here. You're going to have sound and haptic. If your sound is disabled, your keyboard is not going to make sound when you are typing. And if haptic is disabled, your keyboard is not going to vibrate while typing. Now, to turn on vibration while typing on your iPhone, just turn on haptic and then you're good to go. Now, go ahead and open any messaging app, either your iMessage or any other message, then try to type. Then you're going to feel the keyboard haptics. So, like this. So that is basically how to turn on keyboard vibration on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.